another hole. You're simply drenched. Come in, baby.
Baby, you're not going to let that mud in the house, are you?
But, Claude...
I hate animals.
Oh, dear. Why, it's a poor little birdie. My, you're soaking wet.
What is this? A zoo?
Oh, the poor thing's exhausted.
Oh, rats! I'm going to bed.
Good night, little bird. Now take good care of your little guest, Happy. Good night.
No! Turkey, ketchup. Drumstick.
Giggle, giggle, giggle. I know when I'm late, but you're gonna need evidence. Here, take this camera and catch me in the act. Ready?
Nope. You!
Hiya, pal. What's new? Well, we got rid of that forehead, didn't we? Get it? Forehead? Forehead? Good heavens, the poor little thing.
Phoebe, either that woodpecker goes or I go.
Helter.